If you want to learn how to speed up a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to speed up your footage in the CapCut Desktop editor, whether you want a subtle fast-forward effect or a much quicker playback for a time-lapse style edit. This is a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference when you're editing tutorials, vlogs, gaming clips, or any video where you want to keep things moving faster. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in the CapCut Desktop editor. If you don't already have your video imported, make sure your clip is added to the timeline first, because that is where you'll make the speed adjustment. Once your project is open, look down at the timeline and click on the video clip you want to speed up. It's important to select the correct clip, especially if you have multiple clips stacked in your project. After the clip is highlighted, go to the right side panel and find the Speed tab. This is where CapCut keeps the playback speed controls for your selected video. When you open the speed section, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust how fast the clip plays. Drag the slider to the right to increase the speed. You can push it all the way up to 100 times faster, depending on how extreme you want the effect to be. As you move the slider, CapCut automatically updates the clip's timing on the timeline, so you can instantly see the change in duration. That means your video will take up less space on the timeline the faster you make it, which is really helpful for tightening up your edit. If you want to preview the result, just play the section back and see how it looks. You can always click the clip again and fine-tune the speed if it feels too fast or not fast enough. A small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you want the video to stay smooth and easy to watch, and that's really all there is to it. By opening your project, selecting the clip, going to the Speed tab, and dragging the slider to the right, you can quickly speed up any video in CapCut Desktop in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.